Okay, so unfortunately I am 40 this year in December, so I've still got a few months of being 39, and I've said for a while now that for my 40th birthday I wanted to do a skydive. Don't know why, just wanted to do one. I am a bit of a thrill seeker and I do love theme park rides, and I don't know, it's just always something I wanted to do for a long time now. So recently we took a family holiday to the Sunshine State of Florida, which is the best place in the world. While we were there, my wife Hayley, she actually found a place called Jump Florida, and she actually booked it as a present for my 40th birthday. So big thanks to Hayley for organising it for me. Now the fella who I'd done the tandem jump with, I had to do a tandem jump because it was my first jump, he actually had a GoPro on his arm, so he filmed the whole experience for me. Now at the end of your jump you wait a little bit and they put a video together, and you choose 3 songs which they put over the video. Now it was brilliant for me to watch back with the music what I chose, but to put it onto YouTube I've had to take the music off, so there's some sounds of the aircraft but I've had to blank out where the songs were, so bear with me a little bit. So yeah, carry on watching and you'll see me jump out of a plane.
Alright, then you ready? Alright, we're ready. Here we go, second time. Here we go.
Don't stop believing.
Alright, tell me about it. How's your skydive?
That was amazing. Recommend it to everyone.
There we go. You will do it again?
Defo. I want to go again now.
High five here, man. Let's go back up.
So yeah, that was me jumping out of a plane with Jump Florida. I can't recommend them enough. The guys were brilliant. No messing about, straight in, sign the waiver, kit on, safety checks, up in the plane, out you go. Done within half an hour. Brilliant experience. I'd recommend it to anyone. Even if you're scared of heights, just go and do it. It's a fantastic experience. So I hope you enjoyed watching me jump out of a plane. If you did, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.